Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop syncing voice memos with iCloud on Mac. Although syncing voice memos with iCloud is helpful for many people, there may be times when you don't want your recordings to stay updated across all your Apple devices. For example, you may only want your voice memos to stay in your iPhone and simply don't want new recording or changes to sync through iCloud anymore. Whatever the reason is, you can turn this feature off whenever you like. And to do so, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then click on iCloud. Now here, click on See All button right to save to iCloud and then scroll down all the way. Now here make sure to disable the toggle right to voice memos and then finally click on done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.